Welcome to the Temprecord online video tutorial for USB reader driver problems and how to fix them. My name is Luca Bartolitz and I'm the Research and Development Engineer at Temprecord International Limited. So, here I am again in Windows 7. This time there's no Temprecord installed, and I'm just going to go ahead and plug in the Temprecord USB Reader without installing any drivers. Right, as you can see, we still get the installing driver software window. However, this time we get Temprecord USB Reader and no driver found. Now, the easiest way to fix this issue is to install the TRW software. So, if you already have TRW software installed and you get that problem, you can try reinstalling TRW with run as administrator privileges. But most likely it will be a bigger fault than that. So I'm just going to go in and install this. Okay, so I've just finished installing Temprecord, and you can see that we get the pop-up box again for device installation. Now, I've actually installed it incorrectly. I've done this on purpose just to show advanced debugging features. But actually, if you just reinstall Temprecord, it should fix most of your driver issues. Now, in my case, it hasn't. So, what do you do when you're in this situation? You still don't have a Temprecord USB reader that works because it said it was an error. Well, you go into My Computer and you open it just by clicking on it. Then you go into System Properties, Device Manager. In Device Manager, we can see that the Temprecord USB reader has installed properly, but under other devices we see this COM-free and it's got this yellow exclamation mark symbol here. That means there's an issue here. Now, because this is installed correctly, we don't have to worry about this. But if this had an exclamation mark next to it as well, you would just go Update Driver Software, browse My Computer for driver software, and then browse to the directory where Temprecord was installed. In this case, on this computer, it was in C Program Files, Temprecord, TRW drivers. And you will see that in this case, it's already working fine. Now with COM-free, we can do the same thing. Right click, Update Driver Software, browse My Computer, C Program Files, Temprecord, TRW/drivers. And we want to include the subfolders just in case. It makes Windows search a bit more. So we click Next. We get this pop-up window, which is the exact same pop-up window that we received during the installation. Now, during the installation, I clicked Don't install this driver software just to show you how to do this manually. This time, I'm going to install this driver anyway. It's going to install the software. And we'll just wait for it to do that. And there we go, successfully installed. You can see that there's now no orange marks next to any of the symbols, which means everything's working correctly. That means that again, if I open up Temprecord for Windows, hit the spacebar, the logger will work. There we go. So, in general, to fix any issues, start by trying to reinstall TRW. If you have already installed TRW, attempt to install it as an administrator, just in case it wasn't installed with administrator rights the first time around. If all that doesn't work, start Computer, System Properties, Device Manager, and look for any icons which have a yellow label next to them. Then right click on them, Update Driver Software, browse My Computer, navigate to the drivers folder of where Temprecord for Windows was installed to, and just push Next. That's all there is to it. If you experience any further problems or you have more questions, please don't hesitate to contact us either by visiting our website at www.temprecord.com or by emailing us at info@temprecord.com. Thank you.